life on the road doesn't mean I don't have time for you. Plenty I've tried, almost came close.
Hey fairies, welcome back to my channel. So this is the long awaited video that everyone has been harassing me about. I'm just playing, no one's really been harassing me, but you guys have been literally asking me 50 million times about this wig, so here's a video on it. So this wig is from Myfirstwig. It's from their new arrival line that just came out starting on Monday, which is today. So I'm gonna put everything in the description box of what the exact details of this lace wig is, but this is just a wig popped right onto my head. I did not have to do anything to it. I did not have to bleach the knots. I didn't have to tint it. I didn't have to do anything. It came directly just like this. All I did was just put on a wig cap. It is the same color as my skin tone, so all I did was just put that on, and then I put the wig on, so I don't need to bleach the knots or anything because it just blends in with my scalp directly. So this is just me straightening my hair. All I did was just kind of blunt curl the ends, just give me a little bit of, like, you know, oomph to it, and that's basically all I'm doing the entire video. I don't have to do anything crazy to this wig. It is so good for beginners, and it's especially perfect for anyone that just wants a clean cut short wig for the summertime. It is super hot outside. This is my go-to wig for when I don't want to do anything crazy to my hair, and I just want something that's going to be good, that's cute, but also not too much, because we don't need any sweating going on in the back of our neck. So if you guys are interested in watching how I style this hair, stay tuned for the rest of the video.